Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on setting up AI-generated original and translated subtitles with LiveVoice. In this example, the main speaker will be speaking English, and we want to generate original subtitles along with translated subtitles in Spanish and German. First, we need to create an event. Let's call it My Event. Next, we'll create a channel for both the original and translated subtitles. We'll name this channel Innovation Stage. Go to Edit Channel for Innovation Stage. Select the AI Services tab and enable AI Subtitles by toggling the switch on. Now, select the languages that will be spoken on this channel. You can choose multiple input languages, which is especially useful for events where speakers switch between languages on stage. Be sure to select only the languages that will actually be spoken to improve translation accuracy. You can also choose to ignore selected languages and enable translation only when needed. In our example, only English is spoken on the innovation stage, so we'll select English. To activate original subtitles, toggle the switch on for original subtitles. Now, toggle this switch on to activate translated subtitles. Add all the languages you want to provide translations for. In our example, we'll select Spanish and German. Agree to the billing terms and click Save. Your setup is now complete. For the channel to start generating subtitles, we need to get an audio input into the Innovation Stage channel. This can be done by connecting, for example, a soundboard via audio interface with a laptop. Copy the provided speaker link. Paste it into the web browser of the laptop that receives the original audio from the stage. Click Join Event, which will take you into the speaker interface. For more details on setting up audio input, check out our Help Center. You are now in the speaker interface for the Innovation Stage channel. Select your audio source and click Start. Now, the AI will generate both original and translated subtitles. To stop the service, click Stop on the speaker channel. That's it. You're all set.